Let's do a factory reset with external keys for this Nokia 3B. Is Make sure that your phone is powered off and you can go ahead and remove any external memory card to save some files stored in that card, because everything is going to be deleted in the internal memory of the phone, such as pictures, videos, contacts, and downloaded applications, web history, etc. Okay, and this video intends to remove any password, pattern, or PIN blocking the screen of the phone, or even Google blocking the screen of the phone. But for Google, it is important that you know the email and password associated with the phone, because after the factory reset, you have to confirm Google account associated with the phone in order to proceed and get to the home screen. Okay, so make sure that you know that account. And if you already know your Google and password and you're just trying to remove lock screen, make sure if you can go to any computer or tablet and make sure to log in with your Google account and make sure that the password is correct, because I have subscribers saying that they are for sure that the password it is the one associated with the email, but um, it doesn't let you then confirm. So make sure you have the right password. Okay, with the phone power off, we're gonna press the volume down and power key at the same time. And as soon as the phone vibrates, just release both keys and you're gonna see a recovery menu on the screen. And make sure that this button is not being touched. Okay, it has to be completely free. Don't touch that, because if don't it don't work. Okay, volume down, power key. Phone vibrates, release keys, and you're gonna see this recovery menu on the screen. Using volume down, we're gonna scroll and highlight recovery mode, restart bootloader, and recovery mode. Okay, once recovery mode, just press the power key and the phone vibrates. You're gonna see the logo as appears, followed by the Android robot. Okay, so here now we're gonna press volume down and power key, and this finger has to be ready to press the volume up. Okay, so just press and release, and remember, don't touch this button at all. Okay, so volume down and power key at the same time, and then this one. Okay, ready? Volume down and power key at the same time. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. You're gonna see this menu with blue letters on the screen. Now using volume down, we're gonna highlight wipe data factory reset. There you go. Now press the power key to be enter OK. Next step is to confirm. We already went through that everything is going to be deleted and you have to know your Google account. If you are ready with this, just press the power key to confirm. Okay, so the phone will actually wiping data, and last step is automatically highlight reboot system now. So just press the power key, the phone will restart. Okay, so here it's going to take us at least 5 to 8 minutes for the phone to properly take us a reboot and take us the initial setup screen. Okay, just in case that your logo gets stuck there for more than 8 minutes, that means something is wrong with the phone. So just long press the power key and start over with the same process to hard reset it. Okay, that will help to calibrate the motherboard, just in case that the phone has so many cookies on web history or so many downloaded games or music, and sometimes we fail to reboot the phone. Then that's when the phone ruins the motherboard, and this process helps a lot to calibrate them. Okay, so just hang in there, just let the phone work properly and take us to initial setup. Okay, so right there you already have an account activate it will start the process automatically activation. If you are able to, you want to open a new account or anything like that. Okay, so we are initial setup screen, and these are the languages that you can use on this phone, just in case that you're trying to find out what languages come with this Nokia 3V from Verizon prepaid. Then I think this is a good option in case that you're using these languages, or you're learning about these languages. Then this is a great opportunity to practice your favorite language on your phone. Okay, so this is how to um, do a hard reset for this Nokia, and basically just activate your phone on an existing account or open a new account, and will then after the activation they will let you to continue with times register with time zone, date and time, and just accept Google terms and conditions and Verizon terms and conditions, and you will be able to get to the home screen. Okay, thanks so much for choosing my video. Let me know if you have any other questions, and please find my other tutorials related to this Nokia 3V in case I need help with. Okay, thanks so much.